Recently, Burberry switched up their packaging for their sunglasses, so now it comes in this light tan box featuring a really nice fresh minty color on the inside. With your sunglasses, you do get some literature and then, of course, your microfiber cloth to keep your sunglasses clean. And here is the redesigned Burberry sunglass case. So it's literally just like the packaging. It features that light brown khaki color on the outside and then the mint green color on the inside. And then it has a magnetic closure. This is Burberry's take on the geometric trend. These are oversized, square-shaped sunglasses done in a wire frame. On the temples, we have a nod to the Burberry print and very unique tortoiseshell temple tips. The lenses are done in a brown gradient and they are also polarized. Alright, so let's go over the measurements. The lens width is 58 millimeters, the nose bridge is 17 millimeters, and then the temples are 140 millimeters long. And these are what the sunglasses look like on me.